Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best pressure washer detergent that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Chemical Guys Mr. Pink Super Suds Pressure Washer Detergent. If you need the best pressure washer detergent that covers a range of demands, the Chemical Guys Mr. Pink Super Suds Shampoo and Superior Surface Cleanser stands out as a versatile choice for a variety of cleaning needs. It's ideal for weekly maintenance, and the gentle wash prevents scratches while still leaving zero residue. You can use it with a pressure washer or manually, although you may find there's not as much foam as you expected. Despite this, it still provides a sufficient clean that leaves a pleasing shine as well as a pleasing odor. There is no toxic aroma left over, which you can find with some products, meaning you get a satisfying clean for brick walls, concrete, and your car, since it is an excellent wheel and tire cleaner. Moving on at number 4, we have the Simple Green Oxy-Solve House and Siding Pressure Washer Detergent. The Simple Green Oxy-Solve House and Siding Pressure Washer Cleaner is an excellent choice for anyone with a pressure washer with detergent tanks to minimize hassle and ensure the job gets done quickly and efficiently. It is suitable for a range of materials, including vinyl, aluminum, and brick. The 1-gallon container is good for cleaning up to 6,400 square feet of surface, providing superb value and confidence. It is both non-toxic and biodegradable, ideal for places with kids, pets, and gardens, and it uses peroxide to easily remove grime that's accumulated over the years. At number 3, we have the Sun Joe House and Deck All-Purpose Pressure Washer Detergent. The Sun Joe House and Deck All-Purpose Pressure Washer Rated Concentrated Cleaner boasts a bleach-free and non-toxic formula to ensure the safety of your plants and grass when using it to clean around the garden. You can use it with a range of equipment aside from an electric or gas pressure washer, including a spin mop and brush. The 1-gallon container is long-lasting and easy to use. It will provide heavy-duty cleaning power that eliminates most of the dirt in a single pass. At number 2, we have the Karcher Multi-Purpose Cleaning Pressure Washer Detergent. The Karcher Multi-Purpose Cleaning Pressure Power Washer Detergent Soap comes with 2 size options, so it's a decent choice for both domestic and professional use. It will make up to 20 gallons of solution, and this solution is perfect for decking, garden furniture, and even with your pool cleaner to bring back the sleek shine you need. It provides quick and thorough cleaning to take the hassle out of everyday cleaning jobs, and as it's specifically formulated for pressure washers, you can expect the best results each time. There is, however, a slightly unpleasant odor, which is not for everybody. As it provides such superb results, though, you may be able to overlook this, especially once you see the professional-grade clean that leaves your surfaces as shiny as the day you moved in. And finally at number 1, we have the Simple Green Oxy-Solve Concrete and Driveway Pressure Washer Detergent. The Simple Green Oxy-Solve Concrete and Driveway Pressure Washer Cleaner is a fantastic pressure washer detergent for concrete as well as a wide range of other surfaces and materials that make it a superb multi-purpose option. Where it really stands out, though, is its ability to remove tough oil stains. If you work on your car regularly or spend a lot of time in your garage, this is a lifesaver. It will also remove heavy grime around problem areas, and cleans up to 6,400 square feet. There are some heavy-duty demands it can't handle, but for pure driveway cleaning with assured results, there are few better options.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.